The headlines for today, it's going to be hazy and hot today. That's not great news, but it is August. Heat alerts continue today, I think also into tomorrow. Even hotter Friday and Saturday. Weak front on Saturday. We could see an isolated shower, maybe a couple of storms popping up, and then temperatures dropping slightly behind that front. So not today. 100 in the forecast, hazy and hot. Tomorrow, sunny and 103. Saturday, a bit more cloud cover, isolated storms, 20% precip chance at best. And then behind that, we might get down to 99 for the high going into Sunday. Now, 78 degrees right now shows a warm morning. South winds at 15. Dew point of 72 degrees shows at least that moisture content is in place. Remember, yesterday morning it was about 75. So I expect a little bit of dry air today. And the inverse of that is it's going to be a hotter day today. We're at 78 in DFW to 73 in Mesquite to 78 in McKinney. Across North Texas, same story, mid-70s to the low 80s on the way. So with that in mind, we're going to continue to see those temperatures feel slightly warmer than that. The dew points right now are in the upper 60s to the low 70s. Remember these numbers because I'm going to show you how it changes later on this afternoon. But planning your morning, you know what? It's 5:45. You're just now getting up, having your cup of coffee, thinking, when should I go out for my morning run? Soon, because we're going to be seeing temperatures warming their way up to near 80 degrees by 8. That humidity is going to be a play this morning. By 10, we'll be at 85 degrees, feeling like 91. But I do expect our temperatures to reach up to near 100 to 102 in some spots. East sides of North Texas, slightly cooler because the dew point is going to be higher. Look how it changes into the afternoon. That measure of the moisture in the atmosphere dropping down into the mid-50s. That's really dry air. It's still going to be in the upper 60s to the east. So because of that dry air moving in, it's going to be a hotter day ahead. Going into your Friday, the same story. You notice a bit more humidity returning into Friday. That sets up the scene for that front to move through and give us a chance of some scattered showers. Now, the feels like temperature for today may be 102 to 105. That's why we have the heat advisory in place. And then into tomorrow, the actual high temperatures up to maybe 102 to 103. That feels like temperature again maybe 105. So both of those in combination allowing us to see this heat advisory today most likely get extended into tomorrow. Want to talk about the dust? It's here for us as we go through the day ahead. So that hazy sky is still sticking around. Now the front will move its way through going into Saturday. It's a weak front. So we're going to be seeing rain chances around 20% Saturday dropping to 10%. And then there you go. 99 on Sunday. I looked at a few more numbers for us, dropping those temperatures down below the triple digits, but then we're right back up there into next week, guys.